Hey, coffee lovers, if you're dreaming of a cool, creamy brew to beat the heat, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect classic cold coffee at home. Yes, the one that tastes just like your favorite cafe, but right from your own kitchen. Let's do this. First things first. Ingredients: grab some instant coffee, about 2 tablespoons. If you're feeling fancy, you can use brewed espresso instead. You'll also need a tablespoon or 2 of sugar, a cup of cold milk, and lots of ice cubes. For a little extra magic, keep some vanilla ice cream handy. Trust me, it's a game changer. Alright, start by dissolving your instant coffee and sugar in 2 tablespoons of warm water. Give it a good swirl until it's smooth. This step is key for that rich flavor. Next, take a blender, pour in the dissolved coffee, add the cold milk, and toss in a generous handful of ice cubes. If you're using vanilla ice cream, add a scoop now. Blend everything on high for about 30 seconds until it gets nice and frothy. Now grab your favorite tall glass because presentation matters, right? Drizzle a bit of chocolate syrup along the inside of the glass. If you want to make it extra special, pour in your blended coffee mix and watch that creamy goodness flow. Top it off with a bit of whipped cream, maybe a sprinkle of cocoa powder, or even some chocolate shavings if you're feeling extra. Pop in a straw, give it a little stir, and there you go, iced coffee perfection. Here's a quick pro tip. If you want your cold coffee to stay strong and not get watery, freeze some coffee in an ice cube tray and use those instead of regular ice cubes. You'll get an even bolder flavor with every sip, and there you have it, your cafe-style cold coffee made at home in under 5 minutes. It's creamy, it's cold, and it's ridiculously satisfying. Honestly, I could drink this every single day. Let me know in the comments if you try this recipe or if you have your own little twist on cold coffee. I'd love to hear it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and enjoy your perfect homemade cold coffee.